So we were at problem number 67. No, the recording is there. So this is the problem number 68. Problem number 68. White to move, play the move which gives checkmate. See, one move problems are really easy in the sense that you have to find out who can give check and where king can escape. Only two things you have to see. So the first thing is that where king can escape if given a check. And now all these problems, you have only one or two pieces. So it is easier to find.
Yeah.
So only there are two checks.
Sir.
Yeah. Only two checks. One is this check and one is this check. But if you come over here, that is F4, then king can move over here easily, escape. So that means king has only this escape, not here, because all these squares are governed by king at G1. So this is the only check where you can catch this square also and this square also. This is a simple one. So these problems you should be able to solve within seconds now. That is my expectation from you. At least within 10 seconds. Black to move, play the move which gives checkmate.
So can I say?
No, instead of saying, you write it in your notebook. It is much better. Because everybody is trying the beta, that is why. Let them try, let them learn, let them do the mistake. When you do the mistake, you learn. When the difficult problems are there, I will ask then who understands and then you are allowed to tell me. Okay, here only this piece can give the check. That is very easy to say. No pawn can give check to white, and this can give check from one over here and one over here. So which one is better? This one is not at all better because king can move to rank number 2, and here king cannot move to rank 2 as well as cannot move to b3 because of this pawn, and now this pawn gets the support also. In earlier check, this pawn is not having support. King could have killed it. So here in one stroke, at one stroke, you have achieved so many things. Giving check, giving support to the pawn, everything. So these are called as positional checkmates. It just happened. Otherwise, that position is good for white. White has rook and queen also in that particular problem. Now here is the next problem. Black to play and mate. Every problem is teaching you something. Something new is there. From problem 70 to problem 87, all problems will be little better. Here, this queen is the only thing which can give check. This black bishop cannot give check since king is in white square. So you must understand this first. That this king can give check from here, but this is not good because this can come in the middle. Horse can save. So the only other thing is that this killing the horse. Now there is a backing. This backing is there for the queen. So this is a checkmate. Again, white to move. Now this is what earlier problem and this problem, they are similar problems basically. Earlier two problems and this problem is similar. Here you are making the use of black's own pieces. This piece and this piece. What they are doing is that they are not allowing a freedom to black king. No freedom is there. Black king can only move in this vertical column, this and this only. So what you have to do is that either you can give check from here or you can give check from here. If you give from here, rook will come in the middle, but from here nobody will be able to come. So this is a checkmate. Yeah, who is this CE4? This is Pujara. What? Who is this? Who is this? Oh, okay. Please name, while joining, please name, correct your name. Don't put your phone name. Next problem. Black to move and give the checkmate. Again, similar principle is here. White's king freedom is snatched by its own family member. So white has very, very less freedom. White can move over here, one square and two squares. Only two squares are freedom. This square, that is C1 and B2 and C3, all with queen. Now you don't have to lose that squares and you have to give check. So here, this is a dark square bishop and king is in light square. So this cannot give check at all. Only this can give check. So this can give check from here 1, then here 2, then killing this is 3, then this here 4, and this here 5, and even this here 6. 6 different types of checks are there. But you go near the king with the help of your piece, it is always and always beneficial. As near as possible. This is the checkmate. If everybody has written the queen b2, you are right. Next problem. So black to move. Checkmate. Just wait, I will take the present here. Samir. Nihar is not there. Sugat ne, Nihar ne, and Prithvi ne. Even Ananya पण नहीं. Okay. Black to move and move the piece. Come on. Here you can find entire G line. G column is under black rook. and white have no freedom. This square is not possible, and even this square, that is h4, is not possible because of this. So what you have to do is only give check. This is the most simple problem, and you have to give check from a safer place. So without disrupting this rook and this, because if you give the check with the rook, you are giving up your position. So this is the only check. Yes, Samya, that was right. Good. I could see the pleasure on your face. Very good. White to move. This position also you should always keep in mind. There are two different ways, but one is good and one is bad, and you will be uh, tempted to do the first. This temptation is always there, because now and then we have seen that queen moves over here just head on, सर के ऊपर आके बैठना. That is what I have taught you with the help of other piece. Okay, help. So this is the best checkmate which I have taught you. But if this is supported by another piece, then it is very bad. So this temptation you have to avoid sometimes. So all the time you have to see the safety of your piece. Wherever, whichever piece you are moving and wherever you are moving, that place should be safe. So here, this check is a safe and right. Let's move to the next problem. White to move and give checkmate. See, your first move for mating, attack, whatever you decide, should be right. Afterthought is not correct in chess. अरे यार ये था, नहीं 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 मुझे ये करना है, दिस इज रॉन्ग. जो सोचा है वही करना है और जो करना है वही सोचना है. If you write a wrong move, it is okay, but be firm to your decision. And as I said, you have to see. Now you have to imagine all the time what would be next. That is what the next position on the board you have to imagine and decide your move. Here very easy. This entire B column is with the rook, so you don't have to lose this B column. Now only thing you have to give the check from A column. But it is possible that you will give check from here, which is very natural, but this is wrong, because this rook can come in the middle with the support of queen, and you are losing. Checkmate. So the correct way is go little ahead. Now there nobody can come in the middle. Queen A5 is the right move. White to move. This problem is exactly like the one where we stopped yesterday. 67 number problem. Queen problem. Here there is no queen, but the problem is very similar. I will take this problem on demo board because many other things also I can teach you here. So pay attention. Okay, I'm just putting this position. Other things are not that essential. Here, this entire line is with you. It means with white. This cannot go over here also because of this, and not over here because of the family member. So what you have to give is only check. So a very simple solution is this. Okay, check and mate. But here I am purposely has taken this position. Just I will remove this. Now there is no checkmate. But this situation is very useful for white. Even if black is having say queen, okay, queen is over here. Even if black is having queen, still white is winning. You know why? Because if this check is there, now this king can move to only one place. Only one place. And by moving here, king is coming in fire line of bishop. Though it is hidden, but the fire line is there. You can make use of this. See, if you simply move it over here, what will happen? Check is there. And that check, this can stop or this can stop here. But anyway, you are losing this afterwards. After this, if this is not there, then still you are losing this. You understood? So you are making use of this hidden check, and this you can move to anywhere. Here also, check is from this, and next move you get this. We say this is actually use of leverage. That is, this concept will come when I teach you pinning. Okay, this is a sort of reverse spin, and you are making use of that reverse spin to your advantage. I just saw that the position is over here. That is why I thought to explain you. This will come again in the pin section. White to move, play the move which gives checkmate. Easy problem, 10 seconds only. Done, everybody? Now here again, same thing. This cannot give check. This is in white square. This also cannot give check. It moves anywhere, but check cannot be given. So the only thing is rook can give check from here. But if you give from here, what will happen? This can move over here or over here. So you have to give check from this line only. The easiest way is this check and mate. Cannot come over here because of knight, cannot come over here because of this. It was easy. Black to move and give checkmate. Hmm. Hmm. Come. Here, or even I took little more time. But very easy it is. See, this knight is unprotected. Most important thing. Knight is unprotected. It is attacked by the pawn, also attacked by the king. So when you think of check, this knight का क्या करने का? ये बहुत important है. So best way is to give check from knight, and knight can give check from here. But when you give check from here, what will happen? Support of rook to each other goes, and king can kill the rook. So the only way is this. White to move. This is also a fabulous concept. Usually this is the castling. Okay, we usually do our king castling over here, and one pawn moved for the breathing space. So if you try to control this particular square or this particular line, it is always to your advantage. So now there are two checks possible. In fact, three checks. This can come over here and give check, but of no use. Rook will kill. This can come over here and check. This is perhaps best, but it is protected by queen. So this is the only check. Nobody can come in the middle. Okay, I will take this to demo board.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, little bit a different problem. That is why. Supposing this is the position. Instead of this, what I have done is this over here and
Sir.
this over here. Just I am telling you. Earlier also, which I had told you, moving your rook and giving check by bishop. You know, that is a use of pin. So similarly here also, yes, beta.
Which knight is in F
No,
F1? It is in B3.
Don't worry, don't worry. I have kept it just for giving you an example. Just forget it. So my main concept is that earlier example, what I have shown you is that this way, na? This was over here. Sorry, this was over here, and this is the way, na? If you move anywhere, you get the check, and you can take the advantage of this rook to go anywhere and attack, because check is coming from here. So this particular problem is also very similar to that. But here, this is the pin. Queen is attacking another queen, but there is somebody in the middle. So what you can do is that simply give check. So when check is there, this has to either kill or move, and whatever it does, you get this. So these are the examples I am finding here in our game also. See similarly here, same thing. That position is there. There is a hidden attack on queen. That is why I shown you. If this would have been over here, I would have killed the pawn, give the check and get the queen. Okay. White to move and give checkmate. सिया झालं उत्तर आलं भावंड लिहिलंस पण तू सिया
हाँ सर.
लिहिलं उत्तर लिहिलंस तू
नाही, अजून नाही.
Imanshi, Aditya, please switch on your cameras. Ira,
Hi.
Aditya, your camera is also behaving like my camera.
Sir, can you please wait?
Yes, sure.
Sir, can I say?
No. Aditya, I am waiting for you, na? Okay? Are you okay now? Okay. Yes, Dev, tell me your solution.
Sir, we can move the rook in h7.
Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely good. Very natural that you can give check from here. It is very good. But this queen is guarding, so that is why it is not correct one. Okay. So this is the best. Check and mate. If you give check from this rook, king will go down. So this rook you cannot move. This is the easy move. White to play and give checkmate.
So,
Yes.
queen in mm, queen in h8.
Perfect. Absolutely. Black to move. This is just like asked few 2-3 problems back. This is also a very similar problem.
Sir,